Welcome to today's exciting episode where we're diving into the amazing world of drones powered by artificial intelligence. From military applications to environmental protection, these flying wonders are changing the game. Get ready for insights that will leave you amazed and inspired. Let's start with the Bolt M drone by Endural, a marvel of modern tech. This drone is not just another flying gadget. It's a game changer for the U.S. Marine Corps. Imagine a drone that can fly for over 40 minutes, reach targets up to 12.5 miles away, and is man-packable. This means it can be deployed easily in combat situations, making it an essential tool for modern warfare. One of the most impressive features of the Bolt M is its autonomy. This drone can be deployed in under 5 minutes from virtually anywhere. Need to send it off to gather intel or strike a target? No problem. It's designed for quick and effective deployment, making it a vital asset on the battlefield. At the heart of this remarkable technology is Endural's Lattice software, which drastically simplifies operation. It allows even minimally trained soldiers to effectively operate the drone. Imagine the precision with which they can track and strike targets with just a few simple commands. It's a perfect example of how technology is empowering our armed forces. Now, let's shift gears to Thales, who has demonstrated AI-enhanced drone swarms. These swarms can operate autonomously, adapting to various mission types while significantly reducing the cognitive load on human operators. In battles where communication is often compromised, these drones can share target information and evaluate environments independently, showcasing true innovation. Think of drone swarms as a cooperative team. They can share critical data, making real-time evaluations and adjustments to their missions. This collaborative capability accelerates decision-making processes, so troops can stay one step ahead of the enemy. It's not just smart, it's revolutionary. Shifting to civil applications, let's talk about how drones are being utilized to combat wildfires. SenseNet's partnership with SkyScout AI offers a groundbreaking solution for early detection and rapid response to wildfires. Their system uses advanced sensors and AI algorithms to detect fires in their smoldering phase, allowing for immediate action. These scout drones can be deployed automatically to gather intelligence on fires. By providing real-time data to first responders, they're changing the way we fight wildfires, protecting communities and critical infrastructure from devastating disasters. It's all about being proactive rather than reactive. This innovative technology not only enhances firefighting efforts, but also gives communities peace of mind. Knowing that advanced AI and drones are working tirelessly to protect their homes makes a huge difference. This is a testament to how technology can positively impact our lives. Speaking of innovation, let's shine a spotlight on Gautam Raj Virasvamya Premkumar, a Miami alumnus who's breaking barriers by creating AI drone technology to replace traditional satellites for mobile network connectivity. His passion for technology has led him to develop a swarm of drones that can maintain network connections, even in remote locations. This can revolutionize communication systems. Imagine being in a remote mountain or in the middle of the ocean and still having a strong mobile connection. This technology offers a promising alternative to traditional base stations, making it easier and cheaper for users to stay connected no matter where they are. It's innovation at its finest. As we continue to witness these advancements, it's vital for us as a community to engage in discussions about how they can benefit us all. Each step taken in drone technology helps foster new relationships between technology and society, helping us navigate future challenges seamlessly. The future of drone technology is bright and full of potential. From military advancements to community protection, the applications are nearly limitless. So, whether you're excited about military innovations or how these drones can help in emergency responses, it's an exciting time to be part of this technological evolution. Having expert opinions on this evolving technology is crucial. Let's dive deeper into how leading tech firms are responding to the challenges posed by today's environment and how they plan to integrate these technologies into real-world solutions. Together, we can explore every avenue. Did you know that drones can reduce the response time to incidents due to their rapid deployment capabilities? Statistics show that using drones for firefighting can decrease the damage done to properties by over 30% when compared to traditional firefighting methods. These numbers speak volumes about their potential. Imagine using mobile services without ever worrying about connectivity issues. The benefits to everyday users are staggering. Not only do these technologies enhance our daily lives, but they also empower communities to be more resilient against natural disasters and emergencies. Let's take a moment to appreciate those involved in developing and utilizing this technology. From engineers to first responders, everyone is making a difference in fighting wildfires and enhancing our communication networks. Their hard work deserves our heartfelt gratitude. As we wrap up today's discussion, it's clear that the integration of AI and drone technology is paving the way for unprecedented advancements. Whether it's in military settings or for public safety, the impact is substantial and far-reaching. We have only scratched the surface of what's possible. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think about these innovations in drone technology? Have you ever witnessed their impact in your community? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights help us build an engaging community where ideas flourish. Thank you for joining us today. Your interest and support mean the world to us as we strive to improve content quality and foster a community for tech lovers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it interesting. We appreciate your feedback on how we can enhance our channels too. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into how AI is transforming everyday technology. We have lots of fascinating topics lined up that you'll not want to miss. Thanks again for being part of our journey in exploring all things AI.